Hello. In this video, we're going to learn how to rank check one time in Ahrefs. First, open Google and search for free keyword rank checker in the search console. Once you find it, click on the Ahrefs free keyword rank checker tool. Now that you're on the keyword rank checker homepage, enter the keyword you wish to check. After entering the keyword, proceed to enter the URL of the domain for which you want to check the keyword ranking. Once everything is set, click on Check Rankings. While it's verifying the content, make sure to click on Verify You Are a Human. Please be patient while the content loads. You'll then see your website's current position in the rankings. You can also explore the search results here, and by clicking on specific options. You can check the domain rating. Additionally, you can view URL ratings and examine the backlinks. You'll also see domains and the traffic generated by the interactive storyline. This is how you can check a rank one time in Ahrefs using keywords effectively. Thank you for watching.